So hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to modify the lens that I have just bought, but suddenly it just crashed and just did not work as it used to be. So let's go and make it. So first take this out all. First take this from here. So just let me zoom it like this, and then you will just keep like this. Let me. Then you just rotate like this. Then it will just open it. Then the main thing is this one. If you lose this one, then it will not work, and you will just waste your money. Like, oh no, why should I buy this one like this? No. So I have got a problem right now. So I just have this and this one. So I don't know the tips to how to do it. So I will be teaching you today how to make it again and again. So let's go. First put this one. I'm serious, I just forget it. First just make it clear. Like this there. Yeah. What the heck is this? It's not just focusing. Like this. Yeah, just make it clear like this. Then just put it down here. Just let me like this. It will go like this. But one thing you just have to do is just make sure that it is clean. Like this. Do it like this, and this one also wash it. Yeah, inside also, and just put it on. Just put it on here, like this, You can see it like this. Yeah, you can see it like this. Look. Yes, you can see my finger. Then from there, you just put it. This one. Make sure that it is also clean. Look, so I've got so dust like this and like this. You can see it there. Just pull it out. Make sure that it is clean. Then just put it down again like this. First rotate it, then it will go slowly, and just put it like this. Make sure that the point is on this shape and size like this, and just rotate it just like this. Then it will be locked. And you can see it can be zoomed in, out as usual. And just then put it this one. Make sure that it is also clean like this. Oh no, shit, I just fake like this, and here also like this. Just put it, then it is, and now it is ready to use. And now just you can also like this. Let me just zoom it. Yeah, it will work. You can also see. Just make this is also tight. So thank you for watching, and if you like my video, then so guys, now this is ready to be used. So guys, if you like my video, then guys, please do subscribe, like and comment down below, so that I can help you better also. So goodbye for today.